Adventure Nigeria with ISA on Welcome to Nigeria Television Talk Show, showing on this station. Come share your experience. Enjoy the uniqueness, the trees and excitement of Nigeria on Welcome to Nigeria Television Talk Show with ISA. Be our guest every month at the National Center for Women Development, Abuja. For advert, sponsorship and participation, call 0806 308 3046, 0803 871 6481. Welcome to Nigeria Television Talk Show is supported by Welcome to Nigeria Television Talk Show. Seeing is believing. Welcome to Nigeria Television Talk Show. Sir, we're here at Bayelsa State Investment and Economic Forum. So much has been discussed in this event in terms of tourism, which is very, very key. How to expand the tourism industry. As a managing director of one of the biggest hotels in Nigeria, in Africa, and of course a big hotel, and what is your take about tourism, and how do you think we can advance the cause of tourism for economic development?
Thank you very much. Tourism is a money spinner, is a massive job creator, is an important economic impact generator. It's something that every reasonable, wise government, whether the federal, state or local, must take into consideration in a major way, and run it as a business. You sit down, you craft it, you then begin to implement. So, and implementation is all about getting the private sector to lead. In everything, once you want it to be sustainable, you must allow the private sector to lead. And government, their role will always remain to create the environment. This is one of the measures, and it's very important, to bring in experts from around Nigeria and around the world. Listen to them, know what they expect. What is it that we look out for when we want to invest? If government can do their part, leave the rest to the private sector. Money always goes to where money is comfortable. You don't need to preach too much, just do what you need to do. And so for me, that realization that tourism is important is very key. Number two, the dream that the government has, very key. Number three is assembling people who know what to do and taking it to the minutest detail. So we were talking about the orientation, the culture building. Can it be known that Bayelsa is one place you go to, you get best service, whatever it is. Go to Mama Puts, enter a taxi, meet a security guy on the road. How do you achieve that? You actually consciously take that effort and you can create it, you can build it. And then of course the infrastructure is important. Government can do the big conferencing facility, but it has to be run as a business. It must be sustainable. The question is there an investment case for this? Who are your target market? Who are you targeting? Who are you selling? And what is the appeal? If you're bringing out any product and it doesn't appeal to people you have in mind, then you failed. So when you can think these processes and think this initiative as a business, then you're very closer to success. And then before you know it, the world will start talking about, Go and Bayelsa. Before you know it, investors are trooping down here. And then of course, you can never say anything without talking about security. Life and property must be safe. And safety of life, meaning that people can have easy access, nothing happens to them, they commute, they interact, they do their businesses, and they are free, whether in the day or in the night. And then property, that takes you to other land issues. How do you transfer title from one to another? How can you monetize your equity here? So there are many factors that come to play. And when I spoke earlier, I talked about the ABC of the hotel development. And that's really about getting the little things that matter, envisioning what you want to do, asking yourself about those market considerations, asking yourself, does this make sense? Doing that feasibility study. And always, always, always get the people that are meant to be your partners early before you start. So you don't build a hotel and start looking for an operator. You don't design a kitchen and start looking for F&B manager. The F&B manager who knows what to expect should be part and parcel of that design. And you don't fit it here and start looking about the bulbs and lighting. It should have been part of the design. What am I trying to create here? And then there are a lot of other things that government of Bayelsa can do, which is about creating their own unique products. If you go to a place like Turkey, you hear about Turkish massage. Can you not have a Bayelsan massage? Take people to some rivers that you've already edified and then give them some treatment, and people can start to talk about it, something creative. And that's why it's all about vision and passion.
And so for viewers watching this program and for investors who want to come to Nigeria, say to them they are welcome to Nigeria.
Welcome to Nigeria. Welcome to the land of opportunity. Welcome to the biggest economy in Africa.
If you are watching this program, my name is Issa Sago. And welcome to Nigeria Television Talk Show, Seeing is Believing.
What is happening now, what is exciting? People are saying, hey, what has happened to us? We used to produce enough for ourselves and for export.
Travel the world, live the world. And I have to say that the most open people I know are Nigerians.
Maybe I'll miss Abuja.
We have a meal that is a kind of soup that we possibly find only in Benue most times. It's called genge.
Typical Nigerian food is tasty and spicy.
For Gambia, Nigeria is great.
See you next week for another interesting episode on this show. I am Issa Sago.